Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to save passwords in Zen Browser. First, open Zen Browser and go to Settings. Then search for password or check the available settings. As you can see, there is no password or saved passwords option available in this version of Zen Browser. This means that the current version of Zen Browser does not support passwords saving through the browser settings, so there isn't any option you can turn on or configure. If the developers add this feature in a future update, you'll be able to save passwords directly from the browser. So if you're using the same version of Zen Browser, this is completely normal and there's nothing you need to change in the settings. That's it for this video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Zen Browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.